Hey guys, Bill Kennedy with W. Leon Artistry again today, and today we're going to go over a little bit of a space scene, kind of the sun popping out as you're looking from space, going over a planet. Could be the Earth, could be another planet, doesn't really matter. Anyway, really easy techniques. These space scenes are awesome with an airbrush. We'll go over a few basic techniques and create an awesome piece of art really quickly. Anyway, not going to keep you guys waiting. Let's get to it. All right guys, to make my little semicircle, I've got this stick right here. All I'm going to do with this stick is I'm going to hold one end of it down and call that as for a center spot. I'm going to hold my pencil like this in it, and then I can just use that to make a nice little semicircle. You know, the size doesn't really matter. Well, you know, size matters, but anyway, in this case, size doesn't matter. You know, so yeah, you make your own circle. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to have my sun's going to come up here. So that's going to cast a glow across my planet where in the clouds and stuff. So to create that glowy look around that sun, I'm actually going to come here and start with a little bit of orange. And that might be hard to see. And a little bit up here. We'll do a little bit of orange for the nebula in the background. Okay. Alright, next I'm going to take a little bit of white. I'm going to outline the outer edge of the planet. Over here. I'm going to use a texture stencil just to simulate a few ripples, clouds. As we get further away from the sun, of course it gets darker, so we won't put much white down here. Now I'm going to come in here, some of this, all I'm doing is just going to be doing some like shaky motions. I'm just creating some random patterns. And where our sun is, really bright, gradient out into my orange. We'll come back to that orange again. That little extra orange there is going to help us. And then the sun would let it cast over there to create some light here. Going to take a little bit of reduced transparent yellow. Kind of stay off the brightest parts just a little bit. A little bit of red. I'm going to take a little bit of blue for my use my stencil just a little bit. A little bit of green here. Give me some of that, just a touch in that sky up there. All right. Add a little bit more bright spots in here. Gonna put some more transparent orange over the edge. A little bit of yellow. Alright, now I know this needs to be softened on this outer edge, and I'll get to that in a second, but right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this clothespin. For those of you who haven't seen this technique, I'm going to spray on this clothespin like this, and when I do, it will splatter. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. Like that. And I'm going to use that, and you can adjust that little foggy stuff. Take a little bit of just some fiberglass from a fiberglass filter, air filter. Use it down here, soften that edge and create some textures inside here. Barely hit the orange this time. Then I'm going to hit these lines. Alright guys, so there you go. You know, I know I made a mistake there. And that's just to go, you know, I'll leave it in there. I don't edit that stuff out because I want you to see that if you don't panic, you stop, you think about what you're doing, you can always fix it. It's not a big deal. So anyway, that's a pretty cool little piece. It doesn't have any clear coat or anything on it. If I were to put some clear coat over this, it would get a lot more vibrant. You know, this is just on some actually black latex paint, so, you know, it's nothing crazy. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, if you appreciate what you're seeing, hey, you know, hit me a subscribe. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up down there. If you don't like the video, the other thumb works just fine too. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Bye.